Hello, everything is fine? Today I'm going to teach you a low-carb zucchini omelette recipe that is delicious and can be used to replace your dinner. Great for those with diabetes and those who need to lose weight. It's worth learning because it's a delicious, easy and healthy recipe that you're sure to like. So we will need 1 grated zucchini and a teaspoon of salt. Now separate 2 eggs in a container and add oregano, black pepper and a clove of crushed garlic and stir. Then I'm going to mix these eggs with the zucchini, and to finish with 2 tablespoons of oat bran, which by the way is great for weight loss and to give consistency to our recipe. To finish we'll add a teaspoon of chemical yeast, but it's optional. We will now add a drizzle of olive oil to a frying pan and spread the oil throughout the pan, and we will add our egg. After spreading the egg across the pan, cover it and leave for 4 minutes until the top is firm. After turning our omelette, put mozzarella on top and tomato with a little oregano. After that, cover the frying pan and leave it until the mozzarella melts. And there you have it, our low-carb omelette is ready to eat. Look how delicious it is. It doesn't make you gain weight, it doesn't change your blood sugar levels, it's all good. In addition to providing incredible satiety. So if you liked this recipe, leave a like and subscribe to the channel to receive notifications of more recipes, okay? I hope I added something to your life. Share this video so you can help more people. Kisses and hugs. Thanks. God bless your life.